everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelley. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Alright, we'll start with jumping jacks. Repeat after me. And let's say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Awesome. Start rotating arms. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Going the other way. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. We're going to warm up with some punches. Okay, so we're going to go jab crosses just like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Now this time do some uppercuts. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Some knees this time. Right and left. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. One last one. Reaching for your toes. Just hang like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. And come back up. Alright, shake your hands, shake out your legs. Chariot. Kenya. Alright guys, in this video today we're going to practice how to low block or how to block a push kick. Okay? Now, have our hands up like this. Now a low block, a traditional low block, is we cross our arms, we do this, right? Now you might be wondering, why do we keep our hand right here? What's the purpose of this hand? Well, forms, the techniques, the traditional blocks, were traditionally meant for grabbing. So, if I'm doing this with my punch, right, or my block, what I am doing is I'm either breaking a grip on my hand, right? So let's say someone's grabbing your wrist and you low block it back, or you're grabbing a kick, right? You're grabbing a kick. That's what this grabbing is for, okay? So what we're gonna practice is we're gonna have our hands like this and we're going to break the grip, okay? So if someone's grabbing your wrist, you can practice with your parents, right? Where you're here, you break the grip. That's what you're doing. You break the grip and then you throw a reverse punch. Now don't punch your parents, okay? Get really clear. We're just practicing breaking the grip, okay? So let's practice that together. So your arms are like this, right? Like they're tied up, and low block. Good, awesome, good job. Again, ready? Practice the grip, or your parents can grab your wrist, right? And you gotta go on the top. You're gonna break down, low block. Okay, awesome, good. Ready? Again, practice the grip break, low block. Good job, awesome. Two more times, and low block. Awesome, good, good, nice. One more, low block. Awesome, all right, let's do the opposite side now. So this arm's on top, low block. Good, good job, awesome. Now it's important, as you go down, you pull this hand back, right? So you're pushing, you're low blocking, you grip off again, okay? Ready, and low block. Awesome, good job, again. Ready, low block. Awesome, good job, again. Low block. Good, nice, one more time. Cross this arm, low block. Awesome, very good job, you guys. So if you didn't know that, that's what low blocks are for. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Awesome job, you guys. Well, let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. Alright, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can, and when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. everybody, I'm Master Kelley. I got a really quick announcement for you guys today. So on August 15th, we're releasing a brand new program called Samurai for Christ. Samurai for Christ is a Catholic online homeschool martial arts curriculum. I'll have your kids go from white belt all the way to our lady's favorite color, the blue belt. And what makes this program unique is that your kids are going to be learning 9 different forms named after warrior saints. And in this program, your kids are not only going to be learning the moves of martial arts, but they're also going to be learning about the lives of the saints, and also are going to engage in St. Ignatius mental prayer. So I'm going to go step by step how to do mental prayer for kids. It's a fantastic way for kids to grow, not only just become more calm, control their emotions, but also grow in the spiritual life, right? Which ultimately is the most important thing. So if you guys are interested and you want to sign up for that program, click those links down below for more information. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. So I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead and push yourself forward. Okay, now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pizza. Nice nod after me. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot. We're gonna pick up our knee just like this, and then we're gonna put our hands on the ground to keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. So I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. So everyone together, everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure you don't forget to breathe. Okay? Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good, nice. Now we're gonna take this foot, we're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good, awesome. All right, everyone together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. Stretch our upper body just like this. Okay? I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're gonna be on our knees like this. We're gonna stretch out our wrists. I want you guys to take your hands just like this, turn them upside down, place them on the mat gently on the ground, and then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick. So really slowly lean back. Okay? And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. You're awesome. All right, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. Repeat nice loud after. Be really gentle. Hold. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯,
Yasin. Virgo. You there? Oh, yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Now say Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Hasid. Yasin. Virgo. You there? Oh, yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands in the back for that ear. Stretching our neck down. And say Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Hasid. Yasin. Virgo. You there? Oh, yeah, awesome. Good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. Don't take your feet together just like this. I don't want you guys just to hang. Just hang down like this. No counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Ready yet? And yeah.
Hey parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Kelley, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.